Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, June 9th. Today for reading, it's day 2. You're going to finish up your work from yesterday, practicing your reading comprehension skills. You need your electronic device with sound and your Google slide. So, yesterday you probably read the story about the Siberian tiger. And then you had to look back and answer some questions. There's a video of me reading it as well. So you're going to finish up that today. If you already finished it, then great. So then that's one less thing that you have to do for today. For writing, you're going to be working on publishing. So today you're going to submit your slide from June 3rd. So you need your electronic device with sound and your Google slide from June 3rd. So today, one of my favorite parts, you're going to create your title page and your dedication page. So remember, you can dedicate your book to someone you know who may be interested in the topic, or a family member, a friend, a teacher, mom, dad, okay? We've done dedication pages before in our title pages, so some fun things to do today. And today you can actually turn in. You can press submit. Foundations, trick words. So same thing, same routine like in the past. You're going to do sentences, or you could take all the words if you want to be challenged, and you could put them into a story. So you need an electronic device with sound. There is a Google Doc. Your trick words are Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, bought, brought, and peace. So again, I would practice those words with skywriting. So remember, keep your arm out straight. You could support your elbow if you need to. Spell the word. First, make sure you look at the word and think what's tricky about the word, right? Because Wednesday, that's a hard one. Sounds like Wednesday, like 3 little chunks, but that's definitely a trick word because Wednesday, you definitely can't sound that one out. Okay, same thing with Thursday. It sounds like there should be an ER in there, right? So you want to look at your word, figure out what's tricky about it, really like memorize that word in your mind. You're going to skywrite it, then dip in some color paint of your choice. Close your eyes, skywrite it again, paint the word in the air, okay? And then doodle it on a hard surface, or if you have a little chalkboard, whiteboard, you could do it on there, trace and erase. So you're going to do your story or your sentences today. For math, your skill is money. So you need an electronic device with sound. There's a worksheet. Then you could go on IXL, number 16, 19, and 20. So remember, a quarter, 25 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A penny is worth 1 cent. And your social studies is due today, your flag day. Okay, so remember, this is not a whole week assignment. This was just a Monday, Tuesday assignment. So you have your electronic device with sound, your flag day Google slide, finish reading the text about Flag Day, finish answering the questions, look back to help you find the correct answers, and turn that in today if you already didn't do so. So let's hop into the classroom, and your checklist is there. Today is the 9th, so right up at the top we have money and data. And then there's the IXL practice. So you're going to open up. So this is similar to yesterday. It's a PDF file. So you could write on it and submit it, or you could print it out, do it like that. And you're doing a lot of practice with coins. You're showing 53 cents, showing it another way. If you have 4 dimes, 2 nickels, 3 pennies, how much money is there in all? So it's lots of great money review, okay, counting coins, all right? And that's an optional submission. For writing, you're going to see that this is light gray. That's because this is a material. That's because you have to go to your waffle, go to your Google Slides, find your Google slide and you're going to put your finishing touches on your book. Do your title page, your dedication page, okay? Anything, if you want to read through the whole thing, you could fancy it up, change the background color, change the font, make sure your words are easy to see. And then when you're happy with it, you can turn it in. And then this is just a sample of the rubric that we're using. This is for us, but these are things you can ask yourself. Did you introduce the topic that you're writing about? Did you use facts and definitions to develop your points? Did you provide a concluding statement or section? All right. So you want to be by the 4 stars, right? Yes, I introduced the topic in a very creative way, right? Because if you think about it, it keeps building. No, I didn't introduce the topic. Well, somewhat. Yes, I introduced it. Or yes, I introduced it in a very creative way. So you'll see how it kind of keeps bumping up as you read through the rubric. Okay, same thing with facts. No, I didn't use facts. Well, I used a few. I used several facts. I used many facts to develop and definitions to develop points in a very creative way. And same thing with your closing. No, I forgot my closing, right? Well, somewhat of a closing. Yes, I do have a closing, but to get 4 stars, it's always, going above and beyond. Yes, I provided a concluding statement or section in a very creative way. So that's for your reference, to peek at that before you turn it in. And then reading, we already, went through this yesterday. You could listen to the video of me reading it, and you're going to continue your Google slide answering the questions, and you could turn that in. Foundations, you guys know this routine now. Same thing with the trick words. This is a Google Doc. So you can do them in sentences. If you want to up for the challenge, if you want to do a story, you can do that. Okay? Your words are there. And the bonus is after your sentences or story, list the words in ABC order. You don't have to do that. That's optional. Okay? And then the turn in button is here because it is a Google Doc. And moving down to social studies, okay? So we peeked at this yesterday. So if you already handed it in, great. If not, remember your video is here. And then we viewed this assignment yesterday. Okay, make sure you just answer complete sentences. You can look back. And that's it. That's everything for today. Winding down here. So I'm going to come back to you guys. I'm going to take some of your questions.